In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save your project as a PSD in Photoshop. By the end, you'll know exactly how to save your work in a format that keeps all your layers, effects, and editability intact, so you can come back later and keep working without losing anything. First, make sure your project is open in Photoshop. If you've already been editing, you're good to go. It's a great habit to glance through your layers at this point and confirm everything looks as expected, since the PSD format preserves all those details. If you've just launched Photoshop, open your file so it's active on the canvas. Next, head to the top left corner of the screen and open the File menu, then choose Save As. This is different from simply using Save. Save will update your current file, while Save As lets you create a new copy, choose a location, and pick the file format, perfect when you want a dedicated, fully editable Photoshop version. Depending on your version of Photoshop, you might also see Save a Copy. The idea is similar, and you'll still be able to choose the PSD format. When the Save As dialog appears, look for the Format drop-down near the bottom. From that list, choose Photoshop with the PSD extension. This is the native Photoshop format that keeps layers, masks, adjustment layers, smart objects, and all the little edits you've made. If you accidentally pick something like JPEG or PNG, those formats will flatten or compress your work, so stick with PSD for full editability. Now give your file a clear descriptive name. Consider using a version number or date so you can track progress over time. For example, adding V1, V2, or a short note like Final Retouch. Choose a folder you'll remember, whether that's a project folder on your computer or a synced location in your cloud storage. Keeping everything organized now will save you time later. Finally, click Save. In some cases, Photoshop may show an options prompt, often about maximizing compatibility. Leaving the default is usually fine, and it helps ensure the file opens correctly across different Adobe apps and older versions. Once saved, you'll see the PSD extension in the Documents tab or title bar. From here on, each time you use Save, you'll update this PSD. If you need a new version, repeat the Save As process and adjust the name. That's it. You've saved your project as a PSD, preserving every detail so you can